Hello everyone, my name is Alan Sylvia and I am with Hitachi Software Engineering and my colleague Bob Gregg. Say hello, Bob.
Hello.
And we are here in New Jersey at the Touchboards office.
Within the customizable toolbar of the new 9.2 software, which is compatible and equal across all the platforms, Mac, PC, and Linux, you've got a variety of tools. Primary annotation tools would be things like the normal pen, and within the scope of the normal pen, you have the ability to very easily switch between colors and annotate on the board, as well as different styles of pens, different styles of ink, and as well texture pens, which can very quickly annotate your favorite superheroes and use those types of things. Now, that is the normal pen. Within the scope of tools that have additional superpowers, as we like to call them, you've got what's called the pointer pen. With the pointer pen, of course, you have the ability to bring items in from the gallery and images, and then very easily annotate, having your next annotation remove the previous. So it's more of a presentationary style pen, as well as tapping on the board will give you an arrow. Let's grab up a clean screen and go to the most important pen, and my concern is the IntelliPen. The IntelliPen really gives you 4 super strengths, and that is the ability to do geo shapes on the board very easily and very quickly for those who can't necessarily draw a straight line or even possibly an arrow. And you have the ability then to also, nothing up my sleeves, very quickly with the IntelliPen, just grab and select and move, altering the size as well as rotating that shape. And you'll note that you've got a context menu that you can very easily make other additional changes, such as editing changes, cut, copy, paste, delete, locking that to the screen, as well as creating hyperlinks. And my favorite, of course, is save as clip art, because you can draw exactly the same 2 triangles. Now we can go back to our clip art folder where we've saved that content and very easily grab up the same triangle and bring that onto the screen many times. Now, also moving forward with some of the other additional functions which really highlight the IntelliPen, you have the availability to do handwriting recognition. So you can very quickly and easily go in and scribble a word on the board, even in your worst handwriting, and of course then have it translated into a font-based text, which you have rich text editing capabilities to be able to change the size, the color, the fonts, any of your Windows style fonts, of course. And you also then have the ability, let's say that we're going to use the magic undo button. Let's go back to my handwritten text. Let's say we wanted to search for content with this particular pen. We can quickly highlight that and easily go into any of the 4 customizable search engines that you can use to search the web instantly for that exact content. And when you get to that exact content, not only can you search for that content, but you have the ability to drag and drop. And let's say we wanted some text, we can quickly drag and drop that text to the screen, but we can also very easily reach out and grab image content and drag and drop that content to the screen as well to be able to retain and capture all of the things that we just did within the pages as you go. It is saved live.